Have you ever been advised to undergo an electrocardiogram ECG test to detect any sort of cardiac issues through electrical impulses of the heart? Are you unaware of what it is and how it is done? Do you want to know why your doctor recommends this? Let's understand. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and today I am back with another interesting video on electrocardiography ECG. In today's video, I will discuss a complete overview of ECG and why it is important. An electrocardiogram or ECG is a simple and non-invasive test that records the electrical activity of your heart. You only know that your heart is just a pumping organ, but it's more than this. It's an electrical system. Each heartbeat starts with an electrical signal generated in the sinoatrial node, known as heart's natural pacemaker. This electrical impulse is spread through the heart, making it contract and pump blood. The ECG machine picks up these tiny electrical impulses through electrodes placed on your skin and displays them as a graph with waves. These waves represent the timing and rhythm of your heartbeat. So if I tell you in layman term, ECG is like a mirror that shows how your heart is functioning inside without cutting, needles or pain. Alright, so we have discussed what an ECG is. Now let's move on to the types. There are different types of ECGs depending on how they are performed. The first is resting ECG. It is done while lying down calmly. This is the most common. The second is the stress ECG or treadmill test. It is performed while walking or running on a treadmill to see how heart works under stress. The third type is Holter monitoring. In this type, a portable ECG device is worn for 24 hours to 48 hours to continuously monitor the heart. The fourth type is event monitor. It is worn for weeks, records only when you feel symptoms and press a button. Now let's discuss why ECG is important. Why do doctors advise someone to undergo an ECG test? ECG is used for early detection of heart disease. ECG helps detect conditions before they become life-threatening. It helps identify irregular heart rhythm, arrhythmias, for example, atrial fibrillation, which increases the risk of stroke. It gives a prognosis of heart attacks, both past, silent and ongoing heart attacks can be seen. ECG helps detect blood flow blockages. Reduced blood supply due to blocked arteries shows changes in ECG. ECG helps evaluate the effects of medication. Certain drugs affect heart rhythm, which ECG helps monitor. Suppose you are undergoing surgery, ECG gives pre-surgical screening. It ensures your heart is stable before undergoing surgery. Now, let's talk about when a person should get an ECG. I mean, when you should talk to your doctor or when your doctor advises an ECG. When you feel chest pain or tightness, when you experience shortness of breath, if you feel dizzy or have fainting spells, palpitations, heart racing or skipped heartbeats are major signs of undergoing. If you feel weakness and fatigue without a reason. Alright, this is a full insight into the ECG test. Please comment if you want me to make another video on how to read the ECG graph. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related, interesting and informative videos. Thank you so much and have a great day.